This course is about what biomedical engineers do. We're going to be talking about the biomedical engineering design process, how we take measurements, why we take measurements, and use that information to make the lives of our customers better.
You should take this course if you want to know more about how orthopedic surgeons perform their job and who are those people that allow us to do what we do in surgery and in the clinics every day.
This course is about how we use the information in your genomes to determine different avenues in treating various medical conditions and how we can also use that information in finding new cures and treatments for cancer.
This is a course about providing you with everything that you need to start building your very own video game. You should take this course if you want to know the history of video games, how to start building your own, and how you might find a place for yourself in the video game industry.